Let me show you how I built my rating system. Don't let the long formula fool you. It's really quite simple. Let's break it down so you can start using it as well. Alright, so let's take a look at the formula. It can actually be broken down into 3 different parts. Each part is working on its own circle, the full circle, half circle, and empty circle. Alright, so let's work on the first one, which is the full circle. For that I'm going to use the REPT function. And what that's looking to do is repeat a symbol, in this case here the circle. And how many times do I want to repeat it? Well, I'm going to repeat it 5 times. That's the value I have in my rating. And there you go. Alright, so let's take a look at the second part of our formula. For that, I'm going to start with the int function. Int wants to take a number and round it down to the next nearest whole number. So 4.5 will give us 4. Alright, so now that I have that, let us do 4.5, which is the value we have in D2, minus our integer will give us a half. Alright, so from here, let's just put that into an if statement. If my value is greater than or equal to 0.5, return a half circle. Otherwise, do nothing. And there we have it. Alright, so let's take a look at the third and final part of the formula, where we get the empty circle. Let's start with the roundup function. Right, so we're going to want to round up a number here, 3.5. If I put 1 decimal, we're going to get 3.5. If I change that to 0, we're going to get 4. Alright, now this is a 5-star rating system, so let's do 5 minus our roundup will leave us with 1. Alright, let's put that in a repeat function. Alright, and what are we going to repeat? We're going to repeat our empty circle. And how many times are we going to repeat it? We're going to repeat it once, based on our formula. Alright, and there we go. Hey, one last thing, set your font to Arial Unicode MS. Hope this video helped.